Welcome back, and you're watching Claptrap. We are back again. If you are fond of exclusiveness and opulence, then this is the video for you.
Hi everyone, I'm Gopal Bansal, founder of RV Homes. Welcome to RV Homes. From past 15 years, we have a legacy of serving our clients with the best of the products from all across the globe. We believe at RV Homes that our philosophy is very simple. A client's house should reflect their personality. Thus, every piece of product, whether your furniture or decor, should match according to client's taste and style. From past 15 years, we have been a favorite choice among architects and designers, serving them with the best of the quality from all across the globe. They trust us because of our brand values, ethics, and designs that we source for them. At RV Homes, we have got 5 floors of furniture catering to each kind of design and style. If you want Scandinavian, modern, classical, neoclassical, we have got it all. We source the best of the products from all across the globe, as well as manufacture here in Delhi itself. In my years of traveling abroad, seeing various exhibitions and stores, one thing that I've realized is that Indian households always miss styling. No matter how good a house you make, unless and until it's not styled properly, it's always gonna feel empty. That's why we started Avyam. It's a home decor brand wherein we source home decor products from all across the globe as well as India. We have got it all. Vases, paintings, table lamps, floor lamps, figurines, bust, you name it, and we have it.
Hello, Gopal ji.
Hi Sanjeev ji, how are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you very much. Welcome to Claptrap.
Thank you. It's always a pleasure.
Pleasure is all mine because this is one store that I have been longing for. I always wanted to come in. I've seen the store a couple of times from outside, but never had guts to come inside.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Our store is always open for everybody.
Thank you very much.
This particular piece we import from Turkey, and the entire sofa is made in solid wood. If you'll come and do a close-up, so you'll realize that this is not a normal silver polish. So everything is a silver foiling on it.
Right.
So the entire sofa that you see, it has that shimmer and shine because of the silver foiling.
Right. Okay. So India is one of the largest classic furniture manufacturing countries
That is
in the
true.
world. What makes us different from Turkey, or what makes Turkey different from us?
So what would make us different from Turkey is that in India, the wood that we are using and the Turkish wood that is being used are very different. In India, teak is predominantly used. सबको teak पता है, सबके घर में teak use होता है, teak
Right.
बहुत easily available है. But whenever you're traveling abroad, आप Turkey जाएं, Malaysia जाएं, Indonesia जाएं, for them teak is an expensive wood.
Right.
उनके यहाँ पे आपको teak का use नहीं मिलेगा. So they use a very different kind of a wood in the entire sofa set. So this is entirely made in birch wood, and because it is made in birch wood, it gives them that flexibility कि वो लोग इतने बड़े size का sofa और इतनी deep और इतनी elaborate carving कर सकते हैं. In India अगर आप इतने बड़े size का sofa बनाने जाएंगे, then you will probably face a lot of issues with joinery details, and वो future में जाके issue create करेगा. So this entire sofa set, despite we calling it a 3-seater, it's actually a 4-seater.
Exactly. Now, there's one more thing about the wood of Turkish wood, as you rightly said, is basically procured from one of the coldest regions of Turkey.
Yes.
Bursa is the region where the wood is originated, and for I think more than 400 years they have been growing these jungles.
Right.
Of course, these are the woods sourced from the legal sources.
Right.
Right. They do not go for deforestation. They procure from
Never. And
from
then every wood that
natural
they're
trees.
sourcing, it's eventually nil dried. Every wood is going to be dried to the core so that you never face an issue of the joints opening or the cracks coming in.
Right. And there's one more thing about them is the design detailing.
That is
इतना डिटेल में वहाँ पे काम होता है कि शायद आज भी हम लोग उतना डिटेल में नहीं कर पाते. For example, look at this one, this bunch of flowers, beautifully crafted, very nicely done.
So it's not like कि संजीव जी इंडिया में डिटेल का काम होता नहीं है, but the issue that we face over here is the labor issues.
Right. Turkish, there's one more thing that is Turkey is known for is fabric.
That is
They
true.
are far better than China. I
That
believe,
is true.
right? The
In terms of upholstery design and in terms of upholstery quality, टर्की का जो क्वालिटी होगा, जो आपको GSM मिलता है, जो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन मिल रहे हैं, जो आपको वीविंग पैटर्न्स मिल रहे हैं, you won't find it commonly in India and also not in China.
Right. Okay. Is this the only set we have got? We have got few more
Oh
sets.
no. So we have got an entire second floor dedicated to classical
Oh, we'll
furniture.
explore that.
Hopefully, let's
Okay.
see.
All right. What is it? ये क्या range में रहता है? इसका क्या price है?
So this entire set, Sanjeev ji, is 2 4-seaters, 2 single armchairs, 1 center table and 3 side tables or 3 end tables, coffee tables, you can call them anything. The entire set is going to cost them 12 lakh rupees.
All right. 12 lakhs. Okay, cool. Moving on to the next one now. ये modern design का है.
Yes. So this entire sofa is made in an old factory. We have customized everything in this sofa, and thus any kind of bespoke thing that you want, any kind of customization that you want, आपको कुछ भी सोफे में कराना है, that's a possibility.
This is made in India?
Yeah, this sofa is made in India. It's made in a factory.
Wow.
And when you see furniture in our store, तो आप देखेंगे कि हम materials को और texture को mix करने की कोशिश करते हैं. So जितने भी pieces हमारे पास दिखेंगे उसके अंदर आपको हमेशा 4-5 elements का combination दिखेगा. अगर आप इसमें भी देखेंगे, so we've got a very beautiful SS detail at the corner. If you like focus on the arms, so the entire arms made up of SS. And one more specialty of our store is we never deal in लो क्वालिटी रॉ मटेरियल. तो हम वो मार्केट की तरह 0.8 mm की शीट लगा के एसएस नहीं देते यार. इंटायर एसएस इज गोना बी लाइक 2-3 mm थिक एसएस. एवरीथिंग इज पीवीडी. देन विनियर इन टर्म्स, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट विनियर, तो सामने विनियर भी वॉलनट लगा हुआ है. इट्स अमेरिकन वॉलनट. वी डोंट यूज स्टैंडर्ड टीक. वी आर ट्राइंग टू यूज लाइक डिफरेंट मटेरियल्स एंड डिफरेंट textures that people have not heard of and that don't come together.
All right.
So it was a beautiful boucle fabric. हमने थोड़ा सा इसको एक upscale look देने के लिए अगर आप नीचे चौकी पे focus करोगे, so we have given it a very slight detail of SS in the चौकी itself.
Right.
So that ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि हमने किसी भी part को ignore कर दिया. Every part has been given.
Right from the top to the base.
Exactly. So every part has been given due attention और जितना detailing needed है.
All right.
In our store, you will not find कि हम ज़बरदस्ती कोई डिज़ाइन को थोपना चाह रहे हैं या उसको ज़बरदस्ती ग्लॉसी या शाइनी करना चाह रहे हैं. एवरीथिंग दैट वी डू, वी बिलीव दैट इट शुड कम टुगेदर और वो कोहेसिवली एक सिंगल यूनिट अच्छा लगना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि आप जगह जगह एसएस को थोप दीजिए या आप कोई भी कलर कॉम्बिनेशन लगा के बस उसको लाउड कर दीजिए. दैट इज़ नॉट आवर स्टोर. एट एन एंटायर स्टोर एवरी पीस इज क्राफ्टेड बाय कीपिंग एवरी डिटेल इन माइंड.
Alright, great. Material plays, as you said, is very important role. Of course, the assimilation of right products is also playing an important role.
Right.
You should not use everything everywhere. We'll go a little further now. How much is this for, this sofa?
So this sofa is for 40,000 per seat.
40,000 rupees per
Yes.
seat. This is so nice. This is imported?
No sir, Indian.
Import Indian?
Yes sir, this sofa is Indian.
Okay.
And again, it's made in our factory. It's made in Delhi only. If you want any kind of customization in this sofa, that's a possibility. We can change sizes, we can change upholstery color, we can suggest you some color combinations according to your interiors. Because as we said, at RV Homes we believe your home should be a reflection of who you are. अगर आपके घर में ये सोफा आपके इंटीरियर से मैच नहीं करता, तो you don't have to buy a ready stock piece. You have to get it customized according to your interiors.
Okay.
नहीं तो आपका इंटीरियर्स और फर्नीचर दोनों ही लेना वेस्ट है. यू आर स्पेंडिंग लैक्स एंड करोड़ ऑन योर इंटीरियर्स एंड यू आर फोर्स्ड टू बाय अ रेडी ऑन स्टॉक पीस जो आपके घर से मैच भी नहीं कर रहा है. तो इट्स अ इनजस्टिस टू योर इंटीरियर्स. एग्जैक्टली, वो आपके घर के साथ ही नाइंसाफी होगी.
राइट. लेकिन गोपाल जी, एक प्रॉब्लम है अगर आप देखें इंडिया में कि मोस्टली लोग सोचते हैं कि कैश एंड कैरी कर लें, और जबकि एक्सक्लूसिव आइटम कभी भी कैश एंड कैरी में नहीं होते हैं. एक्सक्लूसिव आइटम्स वो होते हैं जो आपके थीम के हिसाब से, आपके स्पेस के साइजेस के हिसाब से, आपके बॉडी वेट के हिसाब से, आपकी एग्जिस्टिंग कलर स्कीम के हिसाब से मैच होना चाहिए.
राइट.
और आपको क्लियर होना चाहिए कि व्हाट आर यू एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम योर फर्नीचर यूनिट, बी इट सोफा और बेड. यू आर लुकिंग फॉर स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट और यू आर लुकिंग फॉर कंफर्ट.
That is so true. We personally believe that the entire space should be built around your lifestyle. आपको देखना चाहिए कि आपको उस रूम में ऐसा पीस ऑफ सोफा चाहिए कि आप उस पर लंबे समय तक बैठ सके और सोफे का फोम खराब ना हो.
बिल्कुल.
या आपको कोई ऐसा पीस चाहिए कि वहाँ पे गेस्ट ज़्यादा आते हैं, वांट समथिंग फैंसियर ओवर देयर. You don't have to make your entire house blingy और shiny और upscale. आप देखिए कि उस रूम का यूटिलिटी क्या है. अगर उस रूम में गेस्ट को आना है और गेस्ट बहुत कम आते हैं तो आप वहाँ पे क्यों 2-3 लाख रुपए का बेड लगाना चाहेंगे. यू कैन प्रोबेबली सेव मनी ओवर देयर. एंड इफ यू गॉट अ फॉर्मल ड्राइंग रूम जहाँ पे आपका गैदरिंग बहुत ज्यादा है, यू होस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, देन स्पेंड अ लिटिल मोर ओवर देयर. सो यू नीड टू डिसाइड कि आपके रूम का यूज क्या है, यूटिलिटी क्या है, एंड देन बाय अ फर्नीचर अकॉर्डिंगली.
राइट. चलिए, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू हैव सीन दिस बिकॉज दिस रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ माई चाइना ट्रिप, टर्की ट्रिप, हांगकांग ट्रिप, couple of other countries as well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
These kind of veneers, of course, are not being used very frequently, especially in a country, because these veneers are exclusive veneers. Are they?
Yes.
They're imported veneers?
No, they are Indian veneers only, and all the designers out there must be knowing about it. So these are known as recon veneers. They are reconstructed veneers.
Okay.
क्योंकि naturally लकड़ी का रेशा ऐसा नहीं होता है.
अच्छा.
अगर आप इसको normal lingo में बात करेंगे, so people call it as fish scale veneer because it looks like those fish के scales जैसे जाते हैं, तो उसकी तरह ही पूरा fish scale veneer कहलाता है.
Okay.
And then we have stained it grey color.
Alright.
Right? तो accordingly जैसा हमारा interiors होगा हम इसका stain change भी कर सकते हैं.
Alright.
If we want to make it walnut, if we want to make it of any other color, it's a possibility.
Alright. They generally are white in color.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. चलिए. Done. So we will try to extract some more information. You made it very clear. First of all, you should decide where do you want to use your sofa.
Right.
What is your theme?
Right.
और what is your basic layout. किसी भी
Exactly.
किसी घर का कभी-कभी 3-2 का layout होता है, कभी किसी का L corner होता है, किसी
Right.
का sectional होता है.
Right.
Mezzanine floor and lounger sofas are different. जैसे pebble sofas आपने देखा होगा अभी काफी popular थे पिछले
Right.
कुछ दिनों. They have been very popular, but a lot of people did not realize they were made for mezzanine lounger areas.
Exactly.
Right? They were not made for
See,
the
people don't realize that a pebble sofa is a sofa जिसका sitting height भी थोड़ा low होगा.
right.
Right, so it is meant for a area जहाँ पे आप थोड़ा lounge करना चाह रहे हैं. You have a TV, supposedly you have a home theater area. You want to like sit and relax और enjoy करना है.
Right.
But आप उसको खरीदे अपने main drawing room के लिए. So that kind of does not make sense. हमने मेन ड्राइंग रूम में पेबल सोफा रख रहे हैं जिसका एक लो हाइट का सिटिंग है. योर गेस्ट कैन नॉट सिट कंफर्टेबली, उठने बैठने में दिक्कत हो रहा है. तो that's why we suggest.
Abhi now we have picked up the grip. Now I'll ask you a lot of questions. You have touched the wrong nerves. As in, I'm going to extract a lot of information. You rightly said that. I mean, people do not pay attention to these details. They just randomly, recklessly buy sofas. I think you should be clear with your requirement.
Very true. And that's why at RV Homes, this is a philosophy. आप जब भी हमारे पास आएंगे, हमारा सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन ये होता है कि आप किस एरिया के लिए देख रहे हैं and what and how do you use that area.
Right.
I particularly believe that the center table or the coffee table, as many people would call it, it should match to your sofa. उसके अंदर कुछ ना कुछ एलिमेंट जरूर होना चाहिए जो आपके सोफा को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करे. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको सोफा बेच जा रहा है, अभी इसमें रेड टेबल रख लेंगे, दैट्स गोना बी टू लाउड फॉर द एरिया.
Okay.
नॉट ओनली दैट, यू नीड टू बी वेरी श्योर कि आप उस एरिया को यूज कैसे करते हैं. अगेन राइट, अगर आप वहाँ पे बैठ के खाना खाते हैं देन देयर इज नो पॉइंट ऑफ टेकिंग अ लो हाइट टेबल बिकॉज हाउ कैन यू ईट योर फूड व्हेन देयर इज अ लो हाइट कॉफी टेबल ओवर देयर. सो अगेन इट ऑल बॉइल्स डाउन टू द फैक्ट कि आप कैसे ही उस एरिया को यूज कर रहे हैं. अगर वो सिर्फ एक ड्राइंग रूम है जहाँ पे गेस्ट ने कभी कभी आना है, देन प्रॉब्ली गो फॉर अ फैंसियर टेबल, लो हाइटेड टेबल, पेयर इट विद सम सॉर्ट ऑफ साइड टेबल्स और सेट ऑफ 2-3 बना के चलिए. दैट इज ऑलवेज गोना गिव यू अपस्केल लुक. एक सिंगल ब्लॉक टेबल रख देंगे वो हमेशा आपको सब जगह को बहुत भरा भरा सा दिखाएगी. बल्कि जैसे आप उसे लेयर करेंगे ना, द एंटायर स्पेस फील्स ओपन. लोगों को लगेगा कि हम 3 टेबल ले रहे हैं तो 3 लेवल लेने से कहीं भरा तो नहीं लगेगा. दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. Once you start layering the pieces, exactly.
And height plays an important role. जैसे आपने pair किया हुआ है यहाँ पे. Some of them are actually escalated, some of them are low.
Right.
So that's you can decorate also.
Exactly.
Decor करने में भी easy होता है.
Decor करने में, style करने में height plays a very crucial role. सब चीजें एक ही लेवल पे फ्लैट नहीं हो सकती. यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट योर हाइट, सम थिंग्स आर हाइट हिट, सम थिंग्स आर लोअर हाइट, एंड दैट्स व्हाट एनहांसेस द लुक ऑफ द रूम. आप उस कॉन्सेप्ट को भूल जाइए कि हमें सब कुछ एक ही लेवल पे चाहिए. मतलब गॉन और दो डेज, ऐसा दिन भी चले गए हैं और वो आपके रूम को और भारी दिखाएगा. मेक श्योर दैट यू लीव एम्पल स्पेस like walking around. Exactly, accessibility. टेबल के आसपास सोफा और टेबल के बीच में adequate जगह होना चाहिए so that any person can walk in. अगर कोई बैठा भी है तो उसके बाद भी there is space for somebody to walk in.
And there are different postures. Sometimes you you know, sometimes you cross leg and sometimes you raise your legs.
Exactly.
Sometimes you move.
Exactly. That's why you have to leave ample space between your sofa and your coffee table.
Okay.
आप कॉफी टेबल बहुत बड़ा ले लें, जगह कोने में सिर्फ 6-6 इंची 1-1 फुट छूटा हुआ है, तो बैठने के बाद कोई वॉकिंग नहीं कर सकता. तो एक जना बैठा हुआ है एंड देन फॉर समबडी टू वॉक वो उठ रहा है, फिर दूसरा जना जाके बैठ रहा है.
वेरी इनकन्वीनियंट.
एग्जैक्टली. सो आपको प्रोपोर्शंस ध्यान रखने बहुत जरूरी हैं.
राइट. सोफा फॉर एंड सेंटर टेबल.
सो दिस सोफा इज गोना कॉस्ट यू 50,000 per seat.
Okay.
And the coffee table, the set of 3 with the bigger abstract table and the 2 end tables is going to cost you 1,50,000.
All right. From drawing room, moving to the dining spaces now. What are the parameters? What are the points that people should consider before buying dining tables?
Again, you'll have to see कि आपका जो घर का लेआउट है वो ओपन प्लान लेआउट है, तो उसके हिसाब से एक सर्टेन सेट और सर्टेन साइज का डाइनिंग जाएगा बिकॉज बगल में ही सोफा लगा हुआ है. अगर आपके पास एक डेडिकेटेड एरिया है डाइनिंग रूम का, देन यूल हैव टू प्लान अकॉर्डिंगली कि उस डेडिकेटेड एरिया में हमारा किस साइज का डाइनिंग आ सकता है. राइट. और नॉट ओनली दैट, ऑल्सो थिंक ऑफ द फैक्ट कि आप ज़्यादा गेस्ट को होस्ट करते हैं, ज़्यादा पार्टी करते हैं, देन यू प्रॉब्ली नीड अ डाइनिंग टेबल कि जब गेस्ट आ रहे हैं तो थोड़ी कुर्सी साइड से पुल कर ली एंड वी मेकिंग इट अ बिगर डाइनिंग टेबल।
Okay.
और नहीं तो अगर घर में न्यूक्लियर फैमिली है, 3-4 जनों ही नहीं इस्तेमाल करना है, देन यू कैन प्रॉब्ली गो फॉर अ स्मॉलर साइज ऑल्सो। सो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स कि आपका यूटिलिटी कैसा है।
ठीक है।
अगर बेसिक पैरामीटर्स आर ऑल स्टैंडर्ड विच एवरीबडी नोज, 6 सीटर है तो 6/3.5 का टॉप होना चाहिए, 8 सीटर है तो 8/4 का टॉप होना चाहिए। सो दिस ऑल स्टैंडर्ड पैरामीटर्स।
Right.
वो पर्सन, बिकॉज डार्क कलर्स आर ऑल्सो इन नाउडेज, ऐसा नहीं है कि डार्क कलर्स लोगों को अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं। इवन डार्क कलर्स कैन गिव यू अ वेरी अल्ट्रा प्रीमियम, अल्ट्रा लग्जरी वाइब
True.
इफ यूज राइटली। एंड एज यू सेड राइटली संजीव जी, अगर आपके घर के अंदर और आपका डिज़ाइन बहुत ही मॉडर्न की तरफ जा रहा है एंड इट हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रे स्केल्स टू इट एंड इट हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ वाइट टू इट, यू कैन डेफिनेटली यूज अ डार्कर टोन ऑफ मार्बल ऑल्सो।
All right. Great. Now, we did not talk much in detail about the chairs and the dining. How much is that for, that table?
So the table is, the entire set is going to cost you 2,75,000.
Okay.
And the chairs are priced at 20,000 for one chair, and for 120 is going to for 6 chairs.
Right.
जो table का price है, that is approximately 1.45, 1.5.
All right.
And that particular piece we import.
Cool. Now talking about the new trend, we call it as a market correction. Again, correct me if I'm wrong. I personally believe that veneer high gloss is totally out of the trend, and it should be, because this is called market correction. A home with matte finish with open veneers, it looks
It's always going to look premium.
right. This
Yes,
will look classy.
That is so true. See, the entire sophistication of a product is revealed in matte color only. जैसे ही आप उसको matte polish में करते हैं, you realize कि उस product में कितना इंट्रेंसिक वैल्यू है, वो अंदर से कितना सुंदर प्रोडक्ट है। अगर यही सेम चेयर की हम बात करें तो दिस एंटायर चेयर इज मेड इन एशवुड एंड यू इफ यू सी दिस एंटायर सेक्शन इज अ सिंगल सेक्शन। वी आर नॉट गिविंग यू बेफालतू के जॉइंट्स, तो कभी क्रैक होने का डर नहीं है। और ये अभी मैट में है, यू कैन सी ऑल द वेन्स ओपन है, वेन्स का एक अलग से खिलाव उठाव आ रहा है, वो खिल के आ रही हैं। एज सुन अब इसे पीयू कर देंगे ना, लोग इसकी वेन्स ही ढक देते हैं, क्योंकि पीयू कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने सारे ग्रूव्स और वेन्स को ढक दिया, लुक ही चला गया प्रोडक्ट का।
artificial. It becomes very synthetic actually.
It looks like it's a machine made sort of a thing. Then why would you want something जो ऐसा machine made आपके घर में लग रहा है?
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Basically, we have been talking about. I love the beautiful table base as
Thank
well.
you so
It's a
much.
very
Thank you so much.
Nice, interesting matrix it is creating, right? It's
Yes, it's kind of like a wave of wooden blocks.
very nice, very well done.
Again, all solid wooden. This particular table we are importing. It's a 10-seater in size. It's a massive size with natural onyx on the top.
And how much is this for?
So the table alone is for 3,15,000,
3,15,000.
and the chairs are for 24,000 each.
All right, great.
So-
These are the imported ones.
These are the imported ones.
All right, no kind of customization is done when it comes to this.
For that matter, in our imported also we can do customizations. But जब हम imported में customization करते हैं, then आपको you'll have to give us a longer period of time, because हम उसी specific country में order place करेंगे और फिर वहीं से वो customize होके आएगा. So if you're willing to give us 3-4 months, हम imported product भी customize करके मंगा सकते हैं. हमारा tie up direct factories के साथ है.
All right.
Nothing goes out of trend. Everything that you want would be available for a longer period of time.
All right.
और
Great.
जब भी आपको चाहिए कस्टमाइजेशन के लिए, you have to give us time. In India हमारा कस्टमाइजेशन का पीरियड जो है वो लेसर है.
Okay. चलिए, we'll talk about this one now. This is a different setup.
Yes.
I have not seen a sectional sofa with 3-seater. What is that we have done and what are we trying to imply here?
So this particular sofa is perfect for somebody who does not have a ground like drawing room and a lounge area separately.
Okay.
अगर आपके पास दोनों combined ही हैं, उसी में आपका गेस्ट भी एंटरटेन होता है और उसी में ही आप एवरीडे यूज भी कर रहे हैं, then this is the perfect sofa for you because you get an L-shaped lounger over here जो आपके everyday यूज के लिए बहुत ही बढ़िया है. And whenever you got extra guests coming in, you have got a matching same 3-seater, you have got a matching chair over here. एंड जैसे आजकल थोड़ा ट्रेंड चल रहा है कि पीपल वांट मॉडर्न एंड पीपल वांट थोड़ा स्कैंडिनेवियन मिक्स, सो एज यू कैन सी इसके अंदर आउटर ये पूरा मेटल है. दिस इज एंटायर मेटल इन ब्लैक कोटिंग.
Superb.
देन यू गॉट लेदराइट आउटसाइड, मेंटेनेंस इजी हो जाता है. And then you got boucle fabric on the sitting, which makes it very comfortable to
imported
sit on.
unit, right?
This one is an imported
one is
piece. This particular we import from Turkey.
All right, get a little experimental. We have been professing in previous videos also. So when you go adventurous or little adventurous or experimental, it is not limited to colors palette. It does
Right.
not limit to fabric only. It also applies on sizes and shapes.
Obviously.
Like for example, you have done it here.
Right.
This L corner sectional sofa with formal 3-seater. You have gone little experimental and
Right.
it's looking nice.
See, not every place needs to have a और यू नो डिज़ाइन में ज़्यादातर लोग आजकल क्या कर रहे हैं, लोगों को लगता है हमने Pinterest पे कोई फोटो देख लिया और हमें अब उसको सेम वैसा ही वैसा कॉपी पेस्ट करना है और हम तो 322 ही लगाएंगे, बट दैट इज नॉट हाउ यू
right
शुड
way.
प्लान योर होम. इंटीरियर्स के अंदर एवरीथिंग कैन वर्क आउट, यू कैन जस्ट प्ले वॉट एवर वे यू वॉन्ट टू.
Okay, great.
Sir.
चलिए, how much is this for?
So this entire sofa set is priced at 6 lakh rupees, including the lounger, 3-seater and 1 chair.
All right.
Beds, sir, surprisingly not, but every bed that we make is Indian. We
Okay.
never import beds from any country.
Right. Any specific reason?
स्पेसिफिक रीजन बिकॉज इंडिया के अंदर बेड्स को लेके लोगों का बड़ा एक फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट है. एवरीबडी नीड स्टोरेज. इंपोर्टेड में आपको वो नहीं मिलता.
Right.
ज़्यादातर इंपोर्टेड बेड्स यू विल फाइंड दैट दे आर मेड अप ऑफ MDF और पार्टिकल बोर्ड,
Okay.
विच इज़ नॉट गोना बी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडियन यूज. तो हम सारे के सारे बेड्स सॉलिड प्लाई में यहीं पे बनाते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू एनी काइंड ऑफ कस्टमाइजेशन दैट क्लाइंट वांट्स.
All right. And I personally believe that anything that you can produce in your own country, that you
always
don't
gonna be
need to
good.
import from different part of the world, right? From other
Definitely.
part.
Yes.
Beds, we have good masters. We have got good craftsmen, right?
वी हैव नो, हमारे पास किसी भी चीज़ का कमी नहीं है इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिज़ाइनर्स और मटेरियल और क्राफ्ट्स पीपल. इट्स जस्ट अबाउट ब्रिंगिंग देम टुगेदर.
True.
इफ वी कैन डू दैट, इंडिया के अंदर जैसा प्रोडक्ट बन सकता है. आई पर्सनली बिलीव, इतना घूमने के बाद मुझे लगता है कि इंडिया में यू कैन डू एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट एंड इट कैन बी मेड एट एनी प्राइस. नहीं, जैसा नहीं है कि आप इंडिया में बनाएंगे तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही कॉस्टली हो जाएगा. दैट इज नॉट द केस.
But again, the consumer also, the mindset also plays an important role, because I think when it comes to foreign products or imported products, we have little loose pockets. But when it comes to Indian products, we got little stingy and we clench our fist.
See, that is
we
true.
start believing that no, this is not made in, this is made in India, so it shouldn't be so expensive.
See, actually what happens is that मे बी जैसा मोदी जी कहते हैं, हमारा थोड़ा कॉलोनियल माइंडसेट है. जब वो अब्रॉड का या ब्रांड बाहर का थप्पा लगता है, देन वी बिलीव कि उसकी प्राइस का या वैल्यू कुछ ज़्यादा ही बढ़ गया है. एंड व्हेन एवर इट इज़ मेड ओवर हेयर, पीपल थिंक कि उसे सस्ता ही मिलना चाहिए, बट दैट इज़ नॉट ट्रू. अगर आप क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हैं, भले ही वो इम्पोर्ट करें या यहाँ बनाएं, क्वालिटी डिमांड्स सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ प्राइस.
Right. This is Indian or imported?
इंडियन सर, दिस इज ऑल्सो एन इंडियन सोफा.
All right.
कि जितना भी हमारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स भी हैं, इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स एन एक्चुअल हाउस. सो वी हैव गॉट वार्डरोब्स इन द स्टोर इटसेल्फ, वी हैव गॉट एन एंटायर सेटअप इन द स्टोर इटसेल्फ. वी आर सेलिंग यू एंड टू एंड सोल्यूशन, क्योंकि हम नहीं चाहते कि आप सिर्फ फर्नीचर ले जाके रख जाएं और फिर वो आपके घर से मैच नहीं कर रहा है. एंड देन
Like, who can imagine a marble pillar?
दिस इज ऑल सॉलिड मार्बल. दिस इज एंटायर सॉलिड मार्बल. इट्स एन इटालियन Carrera.
Okay.
The top is also Italian Carrera. The marble base is also Italian Carrera.
Right.
And if you would see, it's a very beautiful detail. पत्थर थोड़ा सा फ्लोटिंग है. So there's an SS frame inside.
Alright.
और उसके ऊपर पत्थर रेस्ट कर रहा है. That's why it gives you this slight floating effect. The
Alright.
stone is not directly resting on the legs.
Oh, the kind of a ledge.
Yes.
Oh,
It's kind of a ledge. It gives you that floating effect.
Very nice. Very well done. And this is made in India?
No, this one is an imported piece.
Imported, right. So there are certain pieces which you believe are a little difficult to make in India, right?
Yes. See what happens at certain pieces is that जब भी आपको solid marble का block देना चाह रहे हैं, तो इंडिया के अंदर solid marble को source करना becomes a little difficult. आपको specifically किशनगढ़ी जाना पड़ेगा, आपको वो solid marble source करना पड़ेगा.
Right.
So in certain cases we do prefer कि अगर imported piece ही हो तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है.
ठीक बात है. डाइनिंग टेबल के टॉप्स की बात चल रही है, आपने
Yes.
उससे बहुत अच्छी बात कही है, उसी को कंटिन्यू करेंगे आगे. सबसे ज्यादा लग्जरियस टेबल टॉप किस मटेरियल के होते हैं?
सबसे ज़्यादा luxurious टेबल टॉप as of now is gonna be Brazilian stoles and Amazonite.
ओके.
उनके अंदर जो एक शीन है, एक रिफ्लेक्शन है, यू विल नॉट फाइंड इट इन इटालियन स्टोन्स आल्सो.
Okay.
एंड मुझे लगता है इटालियन स्टोन्स अब वैसे भी पीपल हैव पुट इट सो मच इन द फ्लोरिंग, लोगों ने उसका थोड़ा एक चार्म सा खत्म कर दिया है. दे मेड इट सो कॉमन.
Right.
दे आर यूजिंग इट इन द फसाद, दे आर यूजिंग आउट ऑन द फ्लोर्स.
Right.
सो थोड़ा एक चार्म इटालियन स्टोन्स का थोड़ा कम हो गया है. नाउअडेज ब्राजीलियन एमेजोनाइट्स आर गोना बी अमेजिंग.
ग्रेट. हाउ मच इज दैट डाइनिंग टेबल इज फॉर?
सो दैट्स अ ट्रैवर्टीन टॉप डाइनिंग टेबल, और उसका बेस भी ट्रैवर्टीन का ही है. तो उसके अंदर भी देयर इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग डिटेल.
These decors are from your store only.
Yes, all the decor that you're
Oh, I
seeing.
love this. This is so beautiful. Very nice. Okay.
The pelican?
Yeah. No, I love the pelican and these flowers as well.
The flamingo and the flowers are.
Very real. Okay, please come back to this.
We are actually planning to start and
Okay.
thinking of like selling the artificial flowers as
Right.
well. Yeah. So as you can see, again a solid travertine block with a slight SS detail and then a solid travertine top.
All right. Without cavities.
Without cavities. Obviously, we'll do the proper filling of the stone.
Right.
तो cavities का कोई issue आपको नहीं आएगा
Right.
इसके
Because
अंदर.
cavities are good for wall. I think wall cladding cavities are
But
good.
in wall cladding then it adds a lot of texture ना थोड़ा cavity आता है तो वो shadow, light, एक texture add होता है. That gives it a very premium look.
Right.
But for dining table obviously because खाना गिरने के chances हैं.
Food lodging होता है.
Exactly. Food lodging है तो we'll prefer कि without cavity हो. And the dining table is priced as 3,14,000.
And chairs?
The chairs are Indian in this case.
Okay.
And the chairs can be
Not bad.
customized. Thank you.
Very good. I thought
you,
imported chairs. Okay.
No, those are Indian chairs. They're made in Ashwood. And we can customize the chairs. The chair is priced at 25,000 for one chair.
All right. I'm getting to see something here. This looks like a wallpaper to me. I'm a little confused.
It is a
So
wallpaper.
Please, help me to find.
मतलब we have a lot of signs seen. People confuse it and they think कि हमारा wardrobe का shutter है.
This is, I thought it was a shutter.
हाँ, but it is not a wardrobe का shutter. We can though make it as a shutter अगर किसी client को चाहिए तो हमारा fixed panel है.
Okay.
And again, as I told you कि हम multiple चीजों के साथ खेलते हैं तो इसमें भी we have got a PU base at the back. We have got this SS trims का detail.
Okay.
And the wallpaper is Armani Casa का wallpaper.
Oh, so this can be okay. You can have it like a running pattern, and this can
Exactly.
be one single wall.
Exactly.
Right?
It's up to you. So as you could see, यहाँ पे हमें थोड़ा सा break देना था. We wanted to highlight a little bit of the area. So हमने उसको पूरा एक half round करके we have given a sculptural element over here. एक focus light ऊपर से नीचे. So and rest of that is plain. Over here, the entire thing is plain.
All right.
So the
Great.
entire room's theme is like white, gold, and silver.
मॉडर्न होम्स में वॉल क्लैडिंग के लिए हम लोग पिछले कुछ दिनों बात कर रहे थे. ऑफ कोर्स
Right.
लोअर चारकोल पैनल्स पर्सनली आई डोंट प्रेफर.
Same
So self adhesive material, glass sheets and all that, we have been completely discouraging people to buy them because they don't look premium.
That is true. See,
Wallpaper is premium.
plastic at the end of the day will look like a plastic only. New design that we have recently created. And again, all the beds that we make over here only in India, and any kind of customization is possible. So we have given this little bit of a light element, उसको थोड़ा सा enhance करने के लिए. We've got this fluting, leatherite का panel.
Superb.
We've got this solid PU color. The side tables are amazing. We've just given one single drawer, ऊपर थोड़ा shelf दे रखा है. The entire look of this bed is something that I like, really love.
Very nice and very well done with the wall paneling. You have done partial wallpaper. Middle, you
So
have
it's a
done
mix
this.
of
Very
everything.
nice.
As again said, we have used burl veneer along with tinted glass, along with wallpaper. Everything has been used.
Four
in this
material
wallpaper.
that you have
Yes.
used here.
On the entire drawing room setup, over here we have given you an entire sitting. Very comfortable for 19 people to sit for. Over here we have tucked in a beautiful 6-seater. This over here the entire drawing room setup is Indian.
Right.
Any kind of customization again is possible. And this sofa particularly, the foam and the way that we have made it is very comfortable to sit on. Like once इस पे कोई बैठ गया उसका उठने का मन नहीं करेगा because the cushions are so comfortable, the seat is so comfortable.
I mean, very esoteric, very different from the run-of-the-mill products. Very, very different in
Thank you.
terms of
We
design.
try our best
Yeah,
to
very
give
different.
clients with variety of options and to show them कि different materials क्या क्या है market
Very uniquely different. In fact, every single piece, you do not have anything that is run-of-the-mill. That is available.
We don't. Particularly our ground floor is somewhere जहाँ पे हम कोशिश करते हैं that we display variety in material, textures, variety in layout itself. अब इस room का layout देखिए.
Superb. Wow.
Everybody, Sanjeev ji, whomsoever walks in, they love this green wall panel.
I just loved it. I thought, wow, it was like Diwali, diyas all lit up all over. Of course, in
And
the
for that
reverse
matter,
form. Very
मतलब
nice.
अभी we have not even completed the entire wall panel. We were supposed to highlight all of the wall panel with brass figures. हमने वो नहीं किया है. उसके बाद also everybody loves it. So imagine once the brass panels come in, everybody is gonna just fall head over heels for this panel. So everybody loves
I'm
it.
sure. Head over heels, definitely yes. Especially for people like me, those who actually value creativity.
Yes. So the ones who have a keen eye for design and who understands,
Aesthetics.
has a creative aesthetic, they would understand
Right.
that this room is like a very beautifully done room.
Very nice.
You know,
very
despite
well done.
having such dark veneer and dark walls, the room does not look very dingy.
Right.
Because वो panel से इतना light आ रहा है, इतना warmth आ रहा है कि पूरा room lit up होता है.
Exactly. There's a reason you have paired it with a beautiful, simple, straight line sofa.
exactly.
Rather than going for a very zazzy overdoing.
See, not everything needs to, fight for attention.
Right.
अगर कमरे के अंदर already एक wall panel है जो highlight हो रहा है, then the sofas and the rest of the furniture can be simple.
All right. Okay, as you rightly said, mostly people do not pay attention to this detail. They look for sofa that should be designer all the time. Despite they have a designer home, but the sofa should also look designer. Okay, well, nevertheless, I like the winner. This is
Thank you. Over here also again we played with materials. Solid wood moldings with veneer, with colored cane on top,
right.
with a beautifully embroidered fabric. Even the side tables have this veneer, this cane, colored cane on the top. For that matter, we just recently sold out. इसका हमने matching runner बनाया था, and it was
अच्छा.
a beautiful runner, kind of like a floating runner.
Okay,
Beautiful.
all right. Where are we going now?
It's up to you. We can look at this dining table. Again, a beautiful 10-seater dining table. It's 10 feet in size. It's with this blue onyx. अगर आप इस blue onyx पे थोड़ा focus करेंगे, you'll realize that कितना अच्छा क्वालिटी का ये onyx है. It has got those crystallization. It has got those straight veins. कहीं पे भी unwanted color नहीं है. इसके अंदर जो ज़्यादातर लोगों को रहता है कि natural material में ये unwanted निशान क्यों है या ये line बीच में से क्यों जा रहा है. But this is a beautiful clear slab. The chairs again made of solid ash. In grey fabric, in grey booklet, beautifully complementing. The base is again in ash wood.
Very well done.
Over here, even if you look at the paintings are also done by us. And in terms of paintings, we do import digitally printed ones.
Okay.
We can customize any painting over here also. हमारे पास artisans के साथ tie up हुआ हुआ है. And any kind of painting that you want customized for your space, we can get it for you.
All right.
We don't separate our floors based on Indian imported products. हमारे floors separated आपको मिलेंगे based on the design language that we follow. So हर floor पे आपको Indian imported का mix मिल सकता है. But design language हर floor पे आपको different मिलता जाएगा.
Right. For example, that one, that salmon color one.
So if we talk about this sofa, it's in a beautiful rust color with suede velvet down on top of it. ये सोफा हमारा यहीं का बना हुआ है. It's an Indian production.
All right.
And let's talk about a little commercial. संजीव का commercial की बात करें, so our Indian sofa range would start from somewhere around 30,000 per seat.
Per seat?
And onwards and upwards we have a range of up till like 60-70,000 per seat. लेकिन 60-70 फिर हमारा classical furniture आता है, which is very ornate, जिसमें deep carving हुआ है.
Right.
वो फिर हमारा 60-70 की range में भी जाता है.
Right.
When we talk about modern sofas, we somewhere are placed like between 30,000 to 50,000 rupees per seat.
Okay.
If we talk about beds, तो हमारा पे beds सारे ही Indian बनते हैं. And again, we have got a modern collection, we have got an Indian collection, we have got a traditional classical collection.
And what is the starting price for a bed?
But the starting price for the beds would be 1.5 lakh rupees. And ऊपर जाते जाते हमारे maximum beds can range like up till 4-5 lakh rupees also.
All right. And dinings?
In terms of dining tables, अगर हम अपने Indian dining tables की बात करें, let's take an 8-seater for an example. So अगर 8-seaters की बात करें, तो it would start with 8 chairs. It would start for somewhere around 3.5 lakh rupees. And upwards जाते जाते we have got dining tables for 8 lakh rupees also.
All right. Great. All right. And we said this is not a run-of-the-mill store.
This is not.
I mean, of course, you can come with cash and carry. I mean, not literally.
That is all up to the client.
Right.
But अगर मैं थोड़ा अपना modus operandi या काम करने का तरीका बताएं, तो our philosophy since the beginning of the video I'm telling you is simple. क्लाइंट के घर के अंदर क्लाइंट का पर्सनालिटी रिफ्लेक्ट होना चाहिए. दस हम किसी भी कस्टमर को फोर्स नहीं करते कि आप ये रेडी पीस ही लेके जाइए. वी वुड ऑलवेज प्रेफर कि अगर वो पीस आपके घर के इंटीरियर्स को, आपके लाइफस्टाइल को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करता है, मोर देन वेलकम, यू कैन पिक अप अ पीस एंड टेक इट एंड कीप इट इन योर होम. नहीं तो वी वुड ऑलवेज प्रेफर कि आप हमें अपने घर का लेआउट शेयर कीजिए. एंड देन देयर सम बेसिक क्वेश्चंस दैट वी वुड आस्क यू कि हाउ डू यू लिव ओवर देयर, कितने फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं, कितना गैदरिंग होता है लोगों का, are you both working or not?
So
probably
you understand their existing
lifestyle basically,
and
right?
also future lifestyle.
Exactly. Future में क्या
family
plans हैं,
expansion
क्या
क्या है?
expansion हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है family का, is both of the husband and the wife working or not, is there somebody who helps in cleaning or not? So those kind of questions इन सब पे depend करता है कि आपके घर में कैसा layout, कैसा flow, कैसा furniture होना चाहिए. क्योंकि आप वहाँ पे ले जाके रख दे velvet.
Right.
And उस पे कुछ गिर गया and you both are working, you don't have time to clean it.
Kids है, pets हैं, ये सब
Exactly. So आपको सब चीज़ देखनी पड़ती है कि बच्चे हैं कि नहीं है, pets हैं कि नहीं है, कितना gathering है, कितना frequently gathering है for that matter. And based on that, once you share your layout with us, once we ask some basic questions with you, your taste, we understand your taste and lifestyle, we'll curate an entire area for you.
All right.
And by curation, I mean we'll suggest you कि wall पे panelings क्या होनी चाहिए. If you want, we'll do those panelings for you. We'll suggest you that what kind of furniture, what kind of layout, 3-2 पे मत stick कीजिए. Gone are the days of just placing a 3-2 sofa. वो अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं अब. You need to mix and match different kind of seatings also. L लीजिए, chairs के साथ mix कीजिए, 3-seater के साथ mix कीजिए.
Create some accent.
Exactly,
of
create
course.
some
Sometimes
accent.
You take, you know, the design as a
Exactly.
as a
See, as soon
priority.
as you
Sometimes
enter your
functionality as a priority.
exactly, as soon as you enter your space, you should feel कि wow,
belongs to
मतलब exactly it belongs to you. It should be the wow कि यार मैं पूरे दिन थका हारा आया हूँ. अब now I am at home.
Right.
So that should be reflected. And that's why we'll create the entire space with you, guiding you कि क्या wall panel होना चाहिए, क्या color combinations होने चाहिए, कैसा sitting, कैसा decor, कैसा rug, everything will tie your space together.
Great. All right. No two humans are same or identical.
Definitely.
They are always different. Likewise, the homes are.
Exactly.
When you start reflecting individual taste in homes, it can never be same. It can never be cloned to
Exactly.
each other.
It shouldn't
Right? So do not follow in the trap of making the peer pressure, getting the peer pressure on your head. Do not try to replicate somebody else's home because your home is your home. It should reflect your personality. It should narrate your story. Is it right?
That is 100% true. I don't think so. I could have said it any better than you have.
Thank you very much. Pleasure meeting you.
Same here.
And we'll see you very soon.
Yes,
Okay?
definitely.
Thank you very much.
We'll keep coming back. Thank you.
Okay, before we sign out, once again, this is a small glimpse for the next episode, right? What are we going to show in the next episode?
In the next episode, we are going to cover second floor of RV Homes.
Right.
The entire floor is dedicated to classical furniture.
Okay.
And as told before, Indian and imported, दोनों में deal करते हैं हम लोग.
Right.
We have got imported sofas in classical and Indian sofas also in classical.
Right.
All the Indian sofas are made in teak wood. And we'll talk about in detail about all of the products in the next video.
Right. Great. I can see some of the imported units as well. They are imported from Turkey. This is from India?
Yes.
Okay. We
This
can
particular one is
proudly
from
say
India.
that we are not less than Turkey. In fact, we are a
No.
little better than them at times.
In
Okay.
certain cases and in certain finishes, yes.
All right. Okay, so in the next video, we'll be featuring all the furniture units. Like in today's video, we explored everything. You have given the best of the detail. We want you to explain how to choose luxury classic furniture units, right?
Definitely, in
And
the next
how
video.
to make the harmonious look when it comes to classic furniture unit, right? In terms of designing, the color, the scheme, the drapes, the curtains, because I think classic furniture units, the setup,
have their own design language.
Their own design language.
Yes.
And their interior aesthetics are very different from the modern one, right?
Definitely.
Like they're a little over the top, little over shiny, little
More ornate.
ornated,
Right.
right?
But
right.
nowadays, as you can see in our sofas only, so we have tried to say भी थोड़ा English touch देने का. We'll talk about this more in detail in the next video.
Right. Okay. Also, we will request Gopalji to please explain the difference between the Venetian classic, French classic, modern classic, Rococo, and Renaissance.
Definitely.
These are the themes, and I think people should know it, right?
Definitely. We'll help you out in everything.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.